guys, you're watching German Gyan. My name is Sridhi Jain, and guys, today I'm again for you with a new video, and this video is also very demanding. So basically, in this video, I will be letting you know that how you can enroll yourself for the Goethe exams. Now, Goethe, what is Max Müller-Webern? Max Müller-Webern Goethe Institute is an institute where after learning German, you have to apply for the exam, and by getting that certificate, you can get a job in Germany, in India, wherever worldwide you can get. Goethe certificates are valid till lifetime, so you don't have to apply for another and another level again and again. So that is a benefit for that. If you are in Germany, then I will suggest you that you can give a TELC exam. That is little easy. But yes, if you are in India, then right now there is only one exam, that is a Goethe Max Müller Institute exam. So you have to apply for that, and now I will be sharing the screen that how you can enroll yourself, and step by step I will be letting you know. So are you excited? Let's go forward. And guys, video there was a very big confusion for you all end of this video, so stay tuned. And guys, if you haven't subscribed this channel, then please subscribe and click the bell icon so that you can get a notification. So see you in the screen recording, and please take care. Let's go forward. So guys, now I'm searching Goethe Institute Delhi. As I live in Delhi, so I've opened the thing. You can see now I'm clicking Goethe Max Müller-Webern New Delhi, and this is a screen which you will be watching. And let's scroll down and go downstairs. Here we can find out German exams. So here you can see we are having here dates and enrollments and so many different options. So here you can see the current online examination applications. So these are the dates and where you can give the exams. Now I'm clicking one of the link just for the example, and here you can see, let's scroll down, and here you can see the booking is totally full. Some of the bookings are still open. So the third one, this is I think so the March appointments, so 3rd March, so appointments will be open from 3rd March. And nowadays what they are doing is that you will be not having any application form like before. You have to give them a mail. You have to send a professional mail, and in that mail you have to write that okay, this is my name and I need the examination for this level and so on, and details, and then they will be giving you the confirmation. Are they having seats for that or not? This is how the process is going on in this lockdown. In 2021 exams are open, which is amazing news. Now these, which is a study material, here you can find out the study material. This I am playing for you. This is a speaking practice example. So here you can see how the speaking exam conduct. This you can see a modal paper. Exactly, this is how you will be getting your question paper in your hand, and in this you will be finding the hearing part, speaking part, reading part. Not speaking is having a different module, so they will be conducting the exam differently, but in this is a hearing part. If I go forward, then you can find a reading tile, and then of course a Schreiben. In Schreiben you have to write a mail, and you have to fill up the 5 fill-ups as I have told you for A1, A2, B1, B2, all the exams criteria, pattern, all the things you can see. There are link will be in description. You can definitely go and check the playlist. This was the exam preparation. Now you can see that everything you will be watching in German, and if you don't understand German, then click the EN which I have clicked, and then you can see everything in English. So this is a very good thing. Now I'm again clicking Goethe Institute, and here see what I am looking. These are the dates again. Now I'm seeing examination dates, external and internal. Now we are having two different criteria. Internal are the internal students and external are the external students, but external students are getting always much benefits in German, this area. And this is a fees which you have to pay for examination. This keeps on changing, so make sure you are ensure. This is an email ID which you can see, so you have to mail it here. In fact, I will be giving you some more IDs which you can find it out. And it is written especially in COVID. In office opening hours are closed, so written this is an exam room pattern. This is a room pattern exactly. You can see which rooms, which date, and how many hours exam is there for you. So everything will be mentioned in the website. Now at the side of the page you can see this is the email ID of Krishna Tyagi, then Nikita Tandon, she's an exam coordinator, then Shivam Mishra. So you have to mail them. Basically the exam coordinator or the language course person, you have to mail them just to see that okay, which is your criteria and when you will be getting seats. So yeah, and now A2 exam is also there, but I will never suggest anyone for giving A2 exam because it is not at all worth for students who want to go for the job purpose or just for the visa. So this was it. Right now there is no application forms available, just you have to see the dates, and for that dates you have to mail them. The email ID for them I will be providing downstairs. So that's it for today's. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you loved this video. So yeah, as promised, I will be letting you know that what is a confusion that you are talking to me and you're asking to me. So guys, in this video, in the last video, I have told that how you can enroll, how you can get job in German Goethe Embassy. Now students have messaged me, ma'am, German Embassy is different and Goethe Institute is different. Guys, yes, that both are different, but Goethe Institute is also a German embassy. Why it is called German embassy? Because German embassy exams are conducted there. Exams are conducted there, not for the German embassy. But yes, if you want a job in Goethe Institute as a teacher, as a sales executive, as a representative, or there are so many opportunities. So that video will help you that how you can do that and how you can get that. And if you are in German embassy, the actual embassy where your visa appointments are there, where your interview are taken, that embassy is little different, and for that you have to give the government exam. So don't confuse. That is a basically Goethe Max Muller Bhavan, that how you can get job there. So yeah, stay tuned and thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you have any question then please comment me down below. And if you want to share resume for the job purpose, then my ID is this germangyan04@gmail.com. You can message me and you can email me. Of course, reply are going little later, but yes, you will get it for sure, damn sure. So stay tuned. And guys, on Tuesday again I'm coming live at 2 p.m. so stay tuned. And if you have any question, then yes, you can comment me down here. I will be so happy to answer all your questions. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay happy and keep learning German with German Gyan. Cheers!